Let's face it, traditional waxing can be, well, painful. Those of us who want smooth hair, free skin know the drill all too well. The anticipation, the sharp tug, the lingering redness. But what if I told you there's a gentler, more natural way to achieve the same results? Say hello to Brazilian sugaring, an ancient hair removal technique that's rapidly gaining popularity for its gentle effectiveness. This method uses a simple homemade paste made from sugar, lemon and water to gently lift hair from the root, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Intrigued? You should be. Unlike traditional waxing, which often involves harsh chemicals and hot wax, Brazilian sugaring relies on natural ingredients that are kind to your skin. Plus, it's something you can easily do in the comfort of your own home. Ready to say goodbye to waxing woes and hello to a sweeter way to smooth? Let's get started. Brazilian sugar waxing, also known as sugaring, is an ancient hair removal technique that originated in the Middle East. It has been used for centuries as a natural and effective way to remove unwanted hair. What makes it so special? It's all in the ingredients. This simple paste is made with just 3 natural ingredients: sugar, lemon juice, and water. That's it. No harsh chemicals, no artificial fragrances, just pure natural goodness. This makes it a fantastic option for even the most sensitive skin, but it's not just about being gentle. Sugar wax is also incredibly effective at removing hair from the root. The sugar paste adheres to the hair, not the skin. So when it's removed, it takes the hair with it, resulting in smoother skin for a longer period of time. Ready to experience the sweet difference for yourself? Let's gather our ingredients. One of the best things about Brazilian sugaring is how simple and affordable it is. You probably already have most of the ingredients in your kitchen. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup granulated sugar. This is our star ingredient, creating a sticky paste that will grip onto the hair. 1/4 cup lemon juice. Lemon juice acts as a natural exfoliant and helps to inhibit hair growth. 1/4 cup water. Water helps to create the right consistency for the sugar paste. That's it. 3 simple ingredients are all you need to create your own spa-worthy hair removal treatment. You'll also need a saucepan, a wooden spoon, and a clean glass jar for storing your sugar wax. Now that we have our ingredients, let's move on to the fun part, making the sugar wax. Get ready to unleash your inner esthetician. Making and using your own sugar wax is easier than you think. Follow these simple steps for smooth hair, free skin. Step 1. Creating your sugar paste. Combine sugar, lemon juice and water in a saucepan. Heat over medium, stirring until it boils. Reduce heat and cook until golden amber. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Be careful not to overcook. Test by dropping a small amount into cold water. If it forms a soft ball, it's ready. Pour into a jar and let it cool. Step 2. Prepping your skin. Ensure your skin is clean and dry. Gently exfoliate to remove dead skin cells. Step 3. Applying the sugar wax, spread a thin layer against hair growth. Hold skin taut and remove wax swiftly. Step 4. Post-wax care, rinse with cool water and apply aloe vera. Enjoy your smooth, radiant skin.